The simplest and most common way to filter a portal is to have a script trigger on Object Modify filter the portal as you type values into a search field, generally located above the portal itself and given an object name. You need a search field which may or may not be a global field, but which must be given a name in the inspector panel. Then go into Portal Setup, check Filter Portal Records and specify the calculation. This is the portal filter itself with explanations. The filter field itself is a global, which means that we have to add a refresh to the portal filter script in order for the filter to work correctly. Commenting out this section is very useful when you have a large number of records and want to see only records that match the criteria and reduce from there instead of reducing from all records. We have an onObject Modify script trigger set which runs the portal filter script. This is the portal filter script. The refresh window step is necessary because we are using a global field as the filter. Click into the search field, type a letter or two, and as you type it filters down so that you can select the one you're looking for by just clicking on it. That's all there is to it. We're now going to look at it again, but this time with the section inside the filter commented out, which means that nothing will show until something is typed in the filter field. So nothing is typed in the filter field and we see no records. And obviously we wouldn't really need the scroll bar. Let's just type a couple of letters. And as you see, the moment we start typing, the list filters down. So this is an alternative method of filtering, especially where you have a lot of records that you want to filter through.